Welcome to Planter Garden TV. I'm here today. It's rain and the sun is out. So now, with that kind of rain, you got to come and soften the root of your plant. You definitely got to do that, because if you don't do that, with the sun, it's gonna start harden the dirt and make it real hard, and then the root gonna have problems. The root's gonna have problems pushing through the dirt. So if you come now and you say, all right, let me soften this up, you see right there? Beautiful. This is a tomato tree. You have to soften the root, the dirt around the root. That is very important. When you do that, they grow better, they bear better, and they look better. See this one? So now I'm softening the root. When you soften the root, they love it, I'm telling you. You have to take care of these plants. If you want anything from them, you have to take care of these plants. This is a potato plant right there. It's that from the last year. I had potato plant in this whole area. So this one, I leave a couple seed and I notice they start pushing up. So now I can soften this right there. I can allow this to grow right here. I'm gonna allow it to grow right here. Right here. So what you do now, you just soften it up and you just keep throwing dirt around it. Yeah, you just keep throwing dirt around it. I'm gonna leave it right there. So that's food right there. Yeah, so like I was saying, very important to soften the root around your plant, the dirt around your plant. You're gonna get great result in that kind of way. All right, look, this kale, I don't know if you remember, I know pick kale from them here a few days ago, and guess what? I can pick kale today again. I know pick from these, and I can pick today again. So I can, guess what? I can make some. I'm gonna boil kale with these collard greens right here. As a matter of fact, let me show you guys, man. You can harvest every week. That's a good thing about gardening. You see, look, potato here again. This is a potato plant. This is a potato plant. Around here, I'm gonna get a lot of potato plant because, like I said, I had a lot of potato in this area. This is kale. Look, another. Look, two potato here again. Oh wow, this is wonderful. This is wonderful. A lot of potato pushing out. All these, I know harvest from this tree. I know harvest from this tree, and I'm here harvesting the following week. So now I'm going to boil quail and collard green today for dinner. Mark my words, the more you pick, the more they bear. Yeah, the more you pick, the more they bear. All right, so let me go put this up here. You see a nice bungle. Get some more. Let me get some collard greens now. So this is how marvelous this thing is. You could always come in your garden and pick vegetables. I like to pick them young, guys, because I don't want them to get old. So I like to pick them as young as possible. So I have collard greens and kale that I can use for dinner today. This is the greatest part. This is the best part you could ever in gardening. Watch. This is the best time you could ever have, is when you start harvesting. I'm telling you. And guys, this is why I like to plant early, because now is March and I harvesting already. So I will be harvesting from March, go right into November. Okay, so I have a nice little bungle. I made some juice the other day. Now I'm gonna boil it and cook it up. So a nice little bungle, guys. And that's my dinner right there. Yes, it's such a wonderful thing, planting your little vegetable garden, you know. It eases your mind. It refreshes you. It makes you think. It makes you just want to always be in your garden. It's really exciting. I have some potato here that I got to transplant. I don't want to keep them with the kale. So I'm going to take them and put them by themselves. You know, all them here is spinach. This is my second time planting spinach. The first time I ain't get nothing. So I'm really patient with these. I'm trying my best. I'm trying to take care of them. And, you know, they're pushing out. They're looking like they're growing, you know. So that's a good thing. Yeah. My potato them start shooting up. This is my potato here. You know. Oh guys, watch here. These are the potato I planted recently. And they start coming up already. You see? Look another one here. Look another one here. Look another one here. I have a video where I show you guys that I get 37 pieces of potato from 16 seed. Well, guess what? These are the potato right here. Look them. These are the same potato that I now plant maybe a week or two ago, where I cut up all the seeds. I cut up all the seeds and plant them. So you see guys, once you cut the seed, it doesn't matter. It's still gonna grow its own root, and you're still gonna be able to get a lot of potato. So that's all the way going over this potato. I'm just showing you guys how it is, man. I'm showing you guys from the ground up. I'm showing you guys the natural way. I'm showing you guys the organic way. I'm showing you guys the way you don't have to spend no set of money. Alright, so now let's go to the sweet pepper now. You remember my sweet pepper tree? This is my sweet pepper tree. I'm naturally getting ready to harvest sweet pepper. And I'm gonna pick this. I'm definitely gonna pick this, guys. This is a kind of pepper. Let me see what kind of pepper it is. I like to cover the thing. This is Carmen Italian sweet pepper. This is what it is. That's why I like to keep the tag, because it makes you know exactly what kind of pepper you have. If I didn't keep the tag, I might not even remember. And guys, when you're using this, you got to be very careful. You got to know the distance, you got to know how deep you got to push it, because you could damage the root of the plant. So I don't recommend using it if you don't know what you're doing. Look, this one here. This one have 3 nice pepper coming along. Yeah, guys, this is why I always say plant early, the earliest you can. So you have the opportunity to harvest a lot before the cold weather. You see, this have some nice pepper right there. All of them have pepper. You see, so these way ahead of them small ones.